Alright guys, hello and welcome. Today is an exciting day. Today is really exciting in the world of crypto markets. Why am I so happy today? Because today there is blood in the river and it is so exciting. Everyone has been shocked and surprised, but not us, because we know exactly what we are doing. Let's have a look at the charts and let's see how we can use them, how we can make use of this exciting opportunity. And you will be surprised that how a shift in the paradigm that you'll have in your head is completely going to make you look at this as an opportunity and not just as a loss. So let's head to the charts and explore these wonderful opportunities. All right. So first of all, it exactly happened like we expected. All right, let me get my face out of the way so you can have a look at the charts. It is going to be pretty exciting. Excuse my messy hair, it's 2 a.m. in the morning and that's when I like to do my videos. All right, so exactly yesterday's video, we expected that if the price breaks this green zone, it's gonna come down all the way to 13,000 level. And right as of now, it is 2:13 a.m. and this has exactly what has happened. And it is really exciting because this was a long overdue correction. And we were waiting for this. We were waiting with our hands folded and our fingers crossed that we hope this happens, just so that, because it is really healthy for the market. All right. So again, so far we've been pretty good with what we've said. Now let's see what are the future targets of where the price can potentially go. By the end of the video, I'll give you a few more opportunities that are really good to buy right as of now. Now again, it's a bit of a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not a financial advice. This is what I think I should be doing. And if you guys feel like so, it's completely up to you. But make sure you do your own due diligence and study it hard, make use of the facts and figures, and make a very conscious, educated decision. All right, so let's head to the Bitcoin chart first of all. So now it is completely touched or just hovering around the 13,000 level. So now that the green zone has broken, we are expecting for this orange zone to hold. Now, from the looks of it, I don't think it is going to hold, but if it does, you can see that it is pretty close, whether you can consider it's being held or it is not. We can't really make a judgment call until and unless this last candle breaks. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame and see how it is different. Again, even 4 hour doesn't really tell us anything. Again, we can't really make a judgment on the basis until and unless this candle is closed. So from where I am sitting, if we consider that this candle ends up breaking, we are looking at the next target of 10,000 US dollars. Now, why is 10,000 really exciting? 10,000 is really exciting because number one, we will have a good support zone. There is a mental barrier, it's a psychological number of 10,000. Number one, we do have a bit of a support region. If you look at these couple of candles, then you can see there's a big candle to break, which shows that the price took a bit of a momentum to break through it, which shows that there was some resistance. And again, even when the price tried to come close, it kind of came all the way up to 11,166, which is pretty not that close to 10,000, but still pretty close compared that it was almost at 20,000 2 days ago. So if the price ends up breaking this orange zone, we are heading towards 10,000. And believe me guys, it is going to be a massive buying opportunity. This is Christmas. Christmas came in early. Now this is exactly what we were expecting and this is exactly what has happened. So this is a beautiful opportunity. Now imagine if you ended up buying at 20,000 price. Imagine if you bought at 20,000 and imagine if you bought at 10,000. See the difference. 20,000, for example, if it gives you 1 Bitcoin and is sold at 20,000 as well, now you can invest the same money of 20,000 back at 10,000 and you can get 2 Bitcoins instead of 1. You are literally doubling your money in a matter of days. Now this is awesome. This is the best opportunity that has been out there in ages, right? So again, honestly, we hope that happens. And if the price comes down to 10,000, it is a really good buying opportunity. Again, manage your risk, guys, diversify your portfolio. That's where the secret is. Now it is really important to see how the daily candle closes. If the daily candle closes below this 13,000 line, then we are probably looking for a similar correction again, right? We are then again expecting a bit of a downtrend, retest, and all the way to the 10,000 mark. Again, it might or might not give this bit of a retest. It can directly head towards 10,000 as well, which is perfectly fine, right? At the end of the day, we are targeting 10,000, and again, it is a massive buying opportunity, guys. Don't miss out on this one. We are not really gonna see these prices very often in the future. Look, I am personally bullish on Bitcoin. All right, that is why I am looking to buy more. Right, at the end of the day, you'll have to make a decision on yourself. How much positive are you on these cryptocurrencies, and especially on Bitcoin? And the very honest answer is Bitcoin is not the best solution out there. Bitcoin's blockchain has a few flaws. Bitcoin's transactions are slow. They're only giving 3 to 4 transactions a second, whereas if you talk about Ethereum is giving like 20 transactions a second, right? So Bitcoin has a few flaws, a few misconfigurations that need to be fixed, but because it had the massive opportunity of being the very first one, I think it still has a long way to go. It still can be fixed, and it still has the massive advantage of bringing the cryptocurrency to the masses, right? So again, this is like Christmas. This is like the Black Friday coming again. This is like 50% off on everything, right? So this is awesome. So again, if you have the opportunity, and if you have some spare cash that you can afford to lose, remember, whenever you are investing, never go guns blazing. Never sell your houses to put your money in Bitcoin. Never sell your car, and never, keep your money from the food and invest it in Bitcoin. No, always put in money that you can afford to lose, right? So in this scenario, again, if we are true on this one as well, I will be very keen. I've already had a couple of positions at 10,000, at the 13,000 mark, which have been fulfilled. Now I will be looking to buy in again at 10,000 mark. Now that is awesome, right? Now, other than Bitcoin, we do have a few other altcoins that have brought in the opportunity, a really good opportunity to buy. So let's have a look at some of them. Let's have a look at Pay USD, right? Now look at this. Pay USD is a downward trend, is a sideways consolidation. It is holding into this middle support zone, but if the price ends up coming towards this 1.4 and $2 level, you should be looking to buy, because we are expecting that we have a downward trend, a sideways consolidation, and it is going to due for a reversal, and it's going to push towards up. 10x, again, if you don't know what the particular coin or token is doing, you should not be depending just on the price action itself. 10x depends. 10x has a technology which tries to bring all the cryptocurrencies together in one card, and the transactions are pretty smooth. There are very little fee, and you can use them for your daily day-to-day life, right? What you should be doing, if you want to do more research, you should be going to a website called CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap is a very good resource. It gives you all the details of all the cryptocurrencies that are out there. For example, if you want to have a look at 10x Pay, so you type in the search box 10x Pay, and this will give you a bit of a chart. I don't really like using the charts that are shown on the coin market cap, because it is just a random line, right? I need more details than that, and that is why I prefer TradingView, right? So again, if you want to have a look at the website, you can always go to the website link over here. If you click on the website, it will show you it will take you to the official website. It will show you what exactly it does. Do some research on it. You see 0% spending and exchange fee, which is awesome. I've ordered my 10x card myself. Again, if you are looking to get some more information on a currency like this, do check out their website. Go to this coin market cap. I'll leave the link below in the YouTube video description. Do check it out. Right, so again, this has given us a massive opportunity to buy this. Right now, all the altcoins that we were discussing, I think all of them are giving you 30 to 40% discounts to buy them, right? Which is insane, right? Have a look at Digibyte. Now I originally bought Digibyte at 1.3 cents, and it's been a while, and I'm holding through it. I am still holding through it. If you see, this is very simple price action, and I'm still expecting that the price is gonna move on a very simple basis. I have a downward trend and I have a downward consolidation, and when the price broke out of this one, and that is why we bought around here, and you can see the gains are massive. The gains are insane. Now again, if you look at the monthly chart, we are still expecting that the price is gonna go a lot higher than this. I'm expecting the price is, considering how Digibyte works, again, you gotta dig back, you got to dig in the fundamentals of this. In this video, I will just only be going through the technical side of this. I will just be going through the charts and the patterns and setups. So again, in this one, I'm still looking that the price is gonna go all the way up to, again, 5.9, almost 6 cents. And again, this is just a beginning. I think there's a lot more potential to Digibyte than just 5 or 6 cents. All right. Now Digibyte is a good one. Other than that, we are Amisego has kind of made the move already, so I won't really be looking to buy that. We just discussed Pay USD. There's another one. Let me have a look. I think if I'll have a look at the chart, I'll remember it more correctly. BAT. That's the one, BAT. Now, what is BAT? BAT is basic attention token, right? Again, if you don't know what BAT is, you should do some more digging. But basic attention token basically focuses on a browser called Brave, which has been backed up by the guys who made Mozilla Firefox and other some really high quality internet products. So BAT focuses on gaining people's attention by not displaying or displaying the ads in a way that is not that does not really frustrates the user, and you still get paid to watch those ads. So it's a pretty exciting concept. Now this is just a bit of a nutshell what you can do with BAT. But again, if you just go by the technicals, you are looking at a very simple structure. Again, what do we have is similar to what we saw before. We have a downward trend, we have a sideways consolidation, we have the price broke towards the top side, and with the prices coming down into this support zone, into this 2.7. Is it 2.7? Let me have a look. Is it 2.6? 2.7 mark from where I'm guessing. 2.7. Yep, 2.7. Not a bad place at all. So again, between this 27 cents and 30 cent mark, we do have this really good looking support zone. As you can see, the price has been retesting this support zone. It has broken out of it, and it has come down to give you a bit of a retest, which is awesome, right? Now again, this is a discount, guys. This is a really good discount. Consider you buying it at 40 cents and now you're buying it at 30 cents, right? There is a 10-cent discount right over there. And considering that it has just been a maximum of 40 cents and you're getting 10%, now you are actually getting 25% discount and not just 10 cents, right? Think of it that way. So again, we have a big candle to break. We have the price coming down into the support zone, and we are looking for a retest, which the price is doing. As you can see, this big massive wick pushing the price outside into the zone from where it is trying to enter in. And again, if the candle closes outside, we are looking for a good bullish move towards the top. So again, these are a couple of opportunities that I think you should be getting into. Other than this one, I do have another one. ARK. Yep, ARK is good. Another good one. Again, very simple setup, very basic. This is like a child's play. How good this has been. Again, you can see the price is approximately $4.30, right? Now this is, I'll just kind of average it out. Now $4.30. Again, we have the price trying to get past this, but it has not been trying to get, but it has been rejected each time. And now the price went into a consolidation. Eventually broke towards the top side, making a higher high, price coming down. Now the same resistance becomes support. Now these are very basic technical analysis. Now the same resistance becomes support. You can expect to have your buy order somewhere around the $4.30 mark, and it's going to rise up from there onwards, most likely than not. All right, so again, these are the 2-3 opportunities that are really good. Again, timing is everything, guys. You can't, I don't really, has the support been broken or not really depends on how the candle reacts to it. So be a bit smart. Don't just blindly buy it. Wait for the correct timing, wait for the price to come down into the zone, and then we can eventually look for the price to move towards the top side, right? So again, Bitcoin and all the altcoins are bleeding today, bleeding. Like I said, there's blood in the river. Now this is awesome. This is a really good opportunity, guys. Make sure you have your buy order set, make sure you have a trading plan, and make sure that you only put your money that you can afford to lose. And again, keep an eye on them, right? Again, check them out every now and then. Make a plan whether you are trying to trade them short term or you're trying to trade them long term. If you're trying to trade them long term, buy them, keep them in your cold storage, and then just forget about them. To be honest, as simple as that. If you are day trading, that is when you should be looking at your charts every 2 hours, every few hours. Again, if you're talking about cryptocurrency, I don't really recommend day trading. Day trading is more of a forex kind of a thing, but cryptocurrencies are more of a medium to longer term thing, a few weeks to a few months, and again, extremely long term can be years, right? Again, this period, this 2 to 5 year period, is going to be a golden period for cryptocurrencies. So make sure you do your due diligence, do your research, do your study, and I hope this analysis was helpful to you. So again, till next time, I'll be coming back with awesome new videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel below. Read the description. I'll have some really important, useful links. You can join our Facebook group where I keep sharing these tips and tricks on a daily basis. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, good luck, happy trading, trade the plan, plan the trade. And this is Jerry Singh signing off.